We all want bigger harvests, less water waste, and fewer headaches. So today I'm going to clear up the confusion between two popular garden tools, the old-school soaker hose and the modern drip tape. By showing you in simple words how each one works, what they do to your plants, where they fail, and how choosing the right one can save you time, money, and stress this season. We have split this guide into 4 easy parts to make it super simple for you. In the first part, we will talk about soaker hoses, what they are, how they leak, and when they might still make sense. In the second part, we will explain drip tape, how it is built, how the emitters give steady water, and why many gardeners prefer it. In the third part, we will do a straight comparison on cost, lifespan, water consistency, and ease of use so you can see the real trade-offs. And in the fourth part, we will give a clear answer on which to use depending on your garden size, plants, and budget. So stay tuned. Sit back and enjoy a snack while you watch this one-on-one comparison. Part 1. Understanding soaker hoses. Let's start with the soaker hose, the simple and old-school watering system many gardeners still use today. A soaker hose looks like a normal garden hose, but it's made from recycled rubber or vinyl with tiny pores all along its length. When you turn on the water, it slowly seeps out through these pores, soaking the soil around your plants. It's a very gentle way to water because it doesn't spray or splash. It just lets the moisture ooze out evenly, keeping the soil damp. Soaker hoses are great for small gardens, flower beds, or narrow spaces where you don't want to water by hand every day. You just lay it on the ground, connect it to a water source, and let it run. It's simple and doesn't need much setup or fittings. But the main problem is that soaker hoses can be inconsistent. The water pressure drops as it moves down the line, meaning plants near the end might get much less water. Another issue is durability. Because they're made of recycled rubber, they can get brittle or crack under the sun after a season or two. They're also heavier and more expensive per foot compared to newer systems like drip tape. So while a soaker hose is easy to use and works fine for small areas, it's not always the best long-term or large-scale solution. Part 2. What is drip tape and how it works? Now let's talk about the modern solution, drip tape. Unlike the soaker hose, drip tape is made from thin, flexible polyethylene that lays flat when not in use. The moment you turn on the water, it fills up, swells into a round shape, and starts releasing water through tiny built-in emitters that are evenly spaced along its length. Each emitter releases a controlled amount of water, ensuring every plant gets the same amount, no more dry spots or overwatered areas. Drip tape is usually connected to a mainline pipe, also called a header or supply line, which feeds water to each row of tape in your garden. At the start of each row, a small connector attaches the tape to the main line, and at the end, it's sealed off to keep the pressure balanced. This design makes the watering system very efficient and precise, even in long vegetable rows or larger gardens. What gardeners love most about drip tape is how water efficient it is. It slowly delivers water right at the base of your plants, minimizing evaporation and waste. Plus, it's durable, lightweight, and surprisingly affordable, often costing just a fraction of what a soaker hose does. Overall, drip tape gives your plants consistent moisture without soaking unnecessary areas, which means healthier roots, stronger growth, and better harvests. Part 3. Drip tape versus soaker hose, the real comparison. Now comes the interesting part, putting drip tape and soaker hose head to head. At first glance, they might look like they do the same job, but the way they deliver water is very different. A soaker hose releases water through tiny pores all along its rubber body, while drip tape pushes water through small emitters placed at regular intervals. That means drip tape gives a steady, measured flow to each plant, while a soaker hose often gives more water at the beginning and much less toward the end. When it comes to cost, drip tape clearly wins. A soaker hose can cost around 40 to 50 cents per foot, while drip tape costs only about 4 cents per foot. That's nearly 10 times cheaper, especially if you're watering a large garden. In durability, soaker hoses can dry out, crack, or become brittle under sunlight, while drip tape lasts longer if handled properly and stored after the season. Now let's talk efficiency. Drip tape uses water more wisely. It targets plant roots directly, so you save water and prevent weeds from growing between rows. Soaker hoses, on the other hand, tend to leak unevenly and sometimes waste water through evaporation. And when it comes to setup, both are simple, but drip tape can easily connect to a main line and serve many rows at once, while soaker hoses are better for smaller spaces. So in short, drip tape is like the upgraded version of the soaker hose, more accurate, more durable, and more budget-friendly, giving you professional-level watering right in your backyard. Part 4. Which one should you use and why? So after seeing the differences, the big question is, which one is right for you? The answer really depends on your garden size, your setup, and how much control you want over watering. If you have a small garden, a few flower beds, or potted plants near your house, then a soaker hose can still be a good fit. It's quick to install, works well for short runs, and keeps your plants hydrated without needing a complex system. It's perfect for gardeners who want something simple, plug and play, and don't mind replacing it after a couple of seasons. But if you're growing vegetables in rows, managing a larger garden or farm, or want consistent watering that saves both water and money, then drip tape is the clear winner. It delivers precise moisture to each plant, keeps the soil evenly damp, and helps you get bigger yields with less effort. It's also far more scalable. You can run multiple rows from a single water source. So to sum it up, for small backyard gardeners, a soaker hose is a quick and easy choice. But if you're serious about efficiency and results, drip tape is the smarter long-term investment that turns watering into a worry-free process. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more smart farming and gardening tips. And if you want to see another detailed comparison, this time between drip tape and drip lines, you can watch it right now on our channel.